Dear friends, this is Srinivasan, who is having more than 30 years experiences in the construction industry, trying to give you a small presentation on how to avoid defects in the plaster. The common defects in the plaster are categorized as follows: plastic shrinkage cracks, drying shrinkage crack, lack of hardness, debonding, structural crack, blistering, leaching to dissolve substances, grinning, which is known as a mortar joints visible through the plaster, popping, addition of the popping in the plaster, map cracking arises due to the plastic shrinkages, expansion, and effervescence. Plastic shrinkage cracks. It is arises due to loss of excess water after the application. Methods to avoid: protect from sun and wind to avoid drying too early. Wet the wall thoroughly before plastering. Yearly curing in case of a weather is windy and humid. Do not use a sand which lacks fine material, that is less than 5% mass passing through the 75 microns. If sands lacks the fine material, add some lime. Use ready mix plaster if possible. This is the image of the plastic shrinkage cracks. Drying shrinkage cracks. Why it has been happening? This is all the end result of moisture loss after plaster has been done. Plaster is applied too thick, resulting a crack. How to avoid? Don't use nice sand which require excess water. Use much less cement content. Avoid thick plaster. Preferably use ready mix plaster. Due to the curing immediately after setting time of a mortar for a period of 7 days. This is the image of drying shrinkage cracks. Lack of hardness. The images have been shown as below. How to measure? Scratch the surfaces with a screwdriver or a metal nail. Weak plasters are bound to crack, will have a much resistance to water penetration. Causes of weak plaster: insufficient cement. The use of sand contains dust, silt, which is more than 15% by mass passing through 75 micron. The use of a mixture with poor water retention properties, or the addition of water later after the first mixing has been done. Rapid drying due to humid and windy. Debonding. How to check? Hollow sound when the floor is been tapped. Plaster which are too thick tend to crack. Causes of debonding in the plaster: plaster in the dry surfaces without properly wetting the wall before the curing, inadequate practice of the substrates. How to avoid debonding plaster? Make sure that the bond between the plaster and the wall is good. Hacking or applying a hacked plaster before the plaster commences. This is the image of the debonding. Structural cracks. The structural cracks will look like as per the images shown below. Why it has been happening? This happens due to differential motion of the foundation, moisture enlargement, or a drying shrinkage of the brick masonry walls. This kind of appears in generally straight, vertical, horizontal, or diagonal basis. Blistering. Blistering is the formation of small patches of plaster swelling out beyond the plaster surface. Why it is happening? If plaster done with the two coats, if the second coat is thin, then the outer layer swells and appears as a blister. Due to extreme heat, the trapped water evaporates faster than the second layer, hardens, and due to terrible bonding with the first coat, a piece of second layer swells in patches. How to avoid? The first coat of the plaster should be roughened with a broom or with a wire brush. The grooves need to be 2 to 3 mm. Second layer of the plaster must be a minimum 5 mm thickness. Avoid plastering on the surfaces which is exposed to the sun. This is the image of the leaching. What is meant by a leaching? During hydration of the cement, lime is liberalized. This does not remain bound to the mortar and has tendency of leaching out in the form of white substances. This leaching of lime makes the plaster progressively porous over a period of a time. How to avoid? Supplementary cementitious material present in the blender cements such as PPC and PSC reacts with the lime and forms strength producing gel. Thus, the liberalization of lime during dehydration is comparatively lower. Plaster made with a blended cement has lesser cracks, more dense, more durable. This is the image of the lynching. Graining. What is graining? Graining is a term known as when the position of the mortar joints are clearly visible through the plaster. Causes of graining. Difference in section, I mean grooves, between the masonry units and the plaster. How to avoid graining? Application of a base coat before plastering will help to avoid graining. This is the image of the graining. Now it talks about a popping. What is the causes of a popping? This happens due to the presence of contaminant particles in the mix. Contaminants are commonly seeds, organic materials, or particles of dirt, burnt lime. This is the image of a popping. Map cracking. What is meant by a map cracking? These cracks happens when a plaster mix with a huge cement content and dry too quickly. Causes: excessive early moisture loss due to evaporation. If the wall is not protected from the sun and the wind, suction into the partition if the bricks are absorbent, brickwork has been not wetted properly before the plastering. Expansion. The particular images will show how the expansion has been happening. What is meant by expansion? This includes swelling, softening, layer cracking, and spill of the plaster. Cause of expansion. It is usually caused by the inclusion of the gypsum based product in the mix. Under most moist conditions, the sulfate from the gypsum reacts with the Portland cement and forms compounds of increased volume which disturb the plaster. Effervescence. This is the effervescence image which is applied in the bracket. It is whitish crystalline substances appears on the surface due to the presence of salt. This gives bad appearances. It affects the adhesion of the paint with wet surfaces. For now you know what are the defects in the plaster. Understand how these defects has been happening. Try to avoid such a defects in the plaster so that your building look like a good building. Thank you for watching this presentation. In case of any clarification, do not hesitate to write to me. Please like, watch and share and subscribe, which will motivate me to give you furthermore good videos.